Hi, we're really excited to announce our new CRIISP feature launch, Investor Relations. It's the largest feature we've launched since CRIISP launched 2 years ago. And today we're just going to be running through how to activate it in your deal room, as well as how to use it. So initially we need to navigate to our deal room. So deal room, my rooms, and then click on your deal room. And then to enable the feature, we need to go to the cog on the left-hand side, change room features, and then enable both feed and investor relations. Once it's enabled, you'll see the relations tab has opened up in your deal room. Navigate to it, and from here you can then create your first investor relations communication. To do that, we simply just need to hit new. It'll bring up an email template here for you to fill out. You can choose who it gets sent from, so any of the editors of the room. You can then choose who it gets sent to. So here I'm just going to select all. I'm also going to add in some new invitations here. So this is another new feature that we've added, is the ability to add a list of users into the deal room at one time. I've already highlighted a list, so I'll just paste it in. I'll hit next, and then if I hit send now, everyone in that list will receive an invitation to the deal room. I'm just going to back out of that for the moment. But from here, I'm going to save who I have selected it to send to. I will then post the content that I want sent out. Once I've posted it and I'm happy with the formatting, I'll hit preview. I'll get to see what it looks like. It all looks pretty good. I can run a test and send it to the editor, the person who's designated to send it out. So I can send that to myself and send a test. I can then review that test and see if it's showing correctly. And then once that's done, I can hit send now and it will send to the people I have selected. Once it's sent, you'll see that all of our emails are queued currently. Once they're all sent, it'll change to unopened, and then it will track whether they've opened the emails or whether they're still unopened. You can track this in the activity tab as well. You can see everyone here has now received the investor relation email or it's queued up to send out. And once it's there, you'll be able to track who it has been sent to and who it has not been sent to and who's opened it and who hasn't opened it. Once it's sent, we can now track the response we've received from the communication. As we can see here, we've had a 55% open rate with 44% still to open. If we click on the message under relations management, we can see who has and hasn't opened it. We can also track it from the activity tab. If you click on somebody that received the communication, you'll be able to see, so this person has been sent the communication, they've opened it twice. So that's always a good sign. It would be certainly worth following up with this person. If you have any questions about the investor relations functionalities, please let us know. We're more than happy to help you out here at Wholesale Investor. Otherwise, enjoy the new functionality and good luck with your capital raise. Thank you.